Ahimsa Satyasteya Brahmacharya Prigrahayama. 2.30. Jatidesh Kal Samyanavchinah Sarvabhauma Mahavritam. 2.31. The 5 yamas in yoga philosophy are Ahimsa, non-injury; Satya, truthfulness; Asteya, abstention from stealing; Brahmacharya, continence; and Aparigraha, abstinence from avariciousness. These yamas become a great vow when they attain universality, remaining unrestricted by considerations of class, place, time, or duty. Ahimsa sarvatha sarvada sarvabhutanam anvidroha. Ahimsa is the abstention from harming any being, at any time, in any manner, whether through thoughts, words, or actions, karmana, mansa, vacha. Satya is the alignment of vak, speech, and manas, mind, with reality, speaking and thinking only what has been seen, heard, or inferred. Truthful words, beneficial to all creatures, should be spoken with careful consideration. Steya refers to unlawfully taking things belonging to others, while asteya is the abstention from such tendencies, even in one's thoughts. Brahmacharya signifies movement towards Brahman, restraining urges related to sexual desires and other bodily impulses that lead to them. Aparigraha means renouncing the desire to acquire and hoard possessions, recognizing that obtaining and maintaining them involves trouble, that they are subject to decay, that attachment to them causes harm, and that they breed malice. Vishyanamajan Rashan Kshay Sang Hinsadosh Darshanat Swikaranma Parigraha. When these yamas, restraints, are observed universally, without exception, in all circumstances, they attain universality and are called great vows. Shochasantoshtpa Swadhyayeshwar Pranidhanani Niyama. 2.32. The 5 niyamas are Shroch purity, Santosha, contentment; Tapas, austerity; Swadhyaya, self-study; and Ishwarapnidhana, self-surrender. Shocha refers to both external cleanliness, such as hygienic practices and consuming pure food, and internal cleanliness, eliminating mental impurities and achieving peace of mind. Shocham rijladisnitam medhyabhyavahranadi chavahyam. Abhyantar chittam namakshalnam. Santosha means contentment, the absence of excessive desires and the ability to appreciate life's necessities. Tapas dvandvasahanam. Tapas signifies the ability to endure hardships, such as hunger and thirst, heat and cold, maintaining calmness, sitting in a posture, and practicing kasht-maun, absence of all expressions, and akar-maun, absence of speech. It also includes fasting and hardship as part of religious vows. Swadhyaya involves mokshastrana adhyayan, the study of shastras, scriptures related to liberation, and pranav jap, the repetition of the sacred syllable Om. Ishwara pranidhana means surrendering all actions to God.